In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an automation in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful productivity and project management tool that allows you to streamline your workflows with automations. Whether you're looking to save time or keep your processes consistent, duplicating automations is a great way to reuse and adapt existing setups for new projects or tasks. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can confidently duplicate automations in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once there, sign into your ClickUp account. You can do this by entering your email and password or by using a connected provider like Google. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, make sure to check out the link in the description below to sign up. Once you're logged in, you may need to select the correct workspace if you're part of multiple workspaces. Simply choose the one you'll be working in to continue. Next, locate the space or project where the automation you want to copy is stored. You can do this by using the left-hand sidebar, which organizes everything into spaces, folders, and lists. Browse through and find the specific area that contains the automation you're looking for. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a lightning icon labeled Automate. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the automation menu. From here, click on Manage Automations to access the Manage tab where all your current automations are listed. Once you're on the Manage tab, hover your mouse over the automation you want to duplicate. When you do this, a duplicate icon will appear. It looks like a double plus sign. Click on that icon to start the duplication process. Next, you'll need to choose the destination for your duplicate. You can keep it in its current location, or you can move it to a different space, folder, or list. Think about where this automation will be most useful and select the appropriate destination. After selecting the destination, take a moment to review the automation details. This step is important to ensure everything is set up correctly for the new location. Double-check the trigger, fields, statuses, assignees, and any reference lists. Adjust them as needed to match the needs of your new setup. When everything looks good, click Duplicate to finalize the process. Your automation is now duplicated, but there's one more step to keep things organized. Rename the duplicate to make it distinct from the original. A clear and descriptive name will help you identify it quickly later on. Finally, run a test with a sample task to make sure the duplicated automation works exactly as expected. If you encounter any issues turning it on, take a moment to check your current plan and permissions, as these can sometimes limit automation functionality. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated an automation in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.